In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new opportunity stage in Salesforce. Whether you are a seasoned Salesforce user or someone who is just getting started, managing your sales pipeline effectively is crucial for your success. One of the key aspects of managing opportunities is knowing how to add them and how to do it efficiently. Let's begin by logging into Salesforce. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to manage opportunities. If you're unsure, you might want to check with your Salesforce administrator before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side panel and locate the Sales option. Clicking on this will open a range of options that are central to your sales operations within Salesforce. Next, you'll want to focus on the Opportunities tab located at the top of the interface. This is where all your ongoing opportunities are managed. It's like the central hub for tracking potential deals from inception to closure. Once you're in the Opportunities tab, you'll be greeted with a host of data and metrics, providing an insightful snapshot of your ongoing processes. Now you need to click on Add an Opportunity. This action will open up a new window where you'll input all the critical details about your new opportunity. Think of this as creating a profile for your deal. This is a step that requires careful attention because the information you enter here is crucial for your future tracking and analysis. You'll most likely have fields like opportunity name, account name, close date, stage, and forecast category to fill in. Remember, some fields might be mandatory depending on how your specific organization has set up Salesforce, so be sure to fill out all necessary sections accurately. It's a good practice to double check this information to ensure accuracy, as errors could lead to complications down the line. Once you've thoroughly filled out all the required fields, the next step is to click on the Save button. Doing so will officially create your new opportunity in Salesforce. It's always satisfying to know that with one click, all your data and hard work are secured and ready for tracking. Afterward, your newly created opportunity should appear in the list view within the Opportunities tab. It's a confirmation that the process has been completed successfully. From here, you can continue to update and manage this opportunity as it progresses through your sales cycle. By following these clear steps, you are now equipped to efficiently add new opportunities to your Salesforce environment. Remember, effectively managing these opportunities is crucial for maintaining a strong pipeline and staying organized. So go ahead, dive in and streamline your sales processes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.